Right, we're going to take a look at how to catch up with the class assignments. I see few students in class having a problem moving ahead with the chapters and catching up with the class calendar. We have one student online, Jacqueline.
Yes, hello.
Hi. Okay, so we looked at your progress and looks like you're still in chapter 1. We want to figure out how to move ahead with this program. And I know other students in class have the same problem. Thank you for participating today and help us to go over the sessions. So what I'm going to do now is take a look at the page that I am on. And I'm going to log into class.
Okay.
So everybody else can see this. Okay, as you see here, we have one student that trying to move ahead with these chapters, but still it shows here at the bottom here we're in chapter 1. I think one of the reasons is actually two reasons. One would be to not spending enough time, perhaps. You need to spend enough time every day to move ahead with this program. The other reason is to not click on that explain button when you try to complete the sections. Jacqueline, you're online. Do you hit the explain button quite often?
Yes, every time I need help with a question, I usually push explain so I could see how they solve it first, and then I go from there.
Okay, so this is what I want everyone to not do often. Every time you click on the explain button, this program will generate 4 or 5 problems, extra problems for you to make sure that you understand the topics. Instead of clicking on the explain button, go ahead and open the ebook side by side the way I'm showing you here, and you can go ahead and click on, let's say you're in chapter 1 right now, and let's start from the beginning of chapter 1. And when you are ready to do the problems under the pie, browse through these sections. This should be your guideline here, and as you scroll down, you would see video clips attached to this, examples, and these video clips are very valuable. So if you still have a problem with finding the LCM or adding and subtracting fractions, instead of clicking on the explain button, go ahead and find the resources under the ebook. And under the resources in class, you may find more video clips or YouTube clips that I have attached to those resource centers, so you can prepare yourself before you jumping into answering questions and start clicking on that explain button. So Jacqueline, do you see you can follow that?
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I just really didn't know how to go about doing that, so now that I know, it seems like it'd be a lot easier.
Okay, great. So let's all do that, and if you have any questions, you can go ahead and email me from class. I'll go ahead and stop this short clip of sessions at this time.